Is for asphalt paver, asphalt paver, smooth and wide. B is for bulldozer, bulldozer, pushing dirt aside. C is for crane, grain, lifting up so high. D is for dump truck, dump truck, watch it drive by.
E is for excavator, excavator, digging deep. F is for forklift, forklift, lifting boxes neat. G is for grader, grader, leveling the ground. H is for hydraulic hammer, hammer, breaking rocks around.
I is for industry roller, roller, flattening the road. J is for jackhammer, jackhammer, pounding in work mode. K is for knuckle boom loader, loader, picking logs with care. L is for loader, loader, moving dirt everywhere.
M is for mixer truck and mixer, spinning cement round. N is for nail gun nail gun, making a pounding sound. O is for oil truck, fueling the machines. P is for pile driver, pile driver, working on big beams.
Q is for quarry truck, quarry.